This is a craft beer na galing sa Naga. It's called Handyong and it's sili beer. Flavored sili beer. By the way, nandito kami ngayon sa The Preserve at Kayabu, Tanay. The first time we were here was 3 or 4 months ago. And I did an episode of that. Tinur ko yung area. And if you wanna watch that episode, you can click it right here. I'm now in the middle of the river. That's the river. And there's our camp behind me. It's made by a craft brewery in Naga called Ibalon. Nung napunta ako sa Naga about 7 or 8 years ago, I just stumbled upon this small bar in front of the hotel where I was staying. Tapos nakita ko meron siyang ganitong klase ng beer. And ever since then, whenever I get the opportunity to have or to buy this beer, lagi akong kumukuha o bumibili. And this one, nagpabili ako sa kaibigan ko sa office na pumunta sa Naga and I'm drinking it now. It's sili beer. Nilagyan ko ng yelo. Sorry kasi I know it's sacrilegious. I know it's offensive to put ice in beers. Lalo na sa mga craft beers. But I feel like it's too spicy right now. For some reason, medyo naanghangan ako ng matindi. Kaya kailangan kong i-water down. I'm sorry. It's 6.2% alcohol by volume. So medyo mataas siya. Almost kasing taas na ng Red Horse. Ang ingredients niya are water, hops, malt, yeast, and adjuncts. Adjuncts mean yun yung mga pampa-flavor sa beer. Basahin natin yung label. The epic hero of Ibalon who fought 1,000 perilous combats to eradicate ferocious beasts and monsters. Handyong's unequal conquest and leadership brought the realm to an era of prosperity, unity, and strong cultural identity. Are you ready to taste the fiery ale spin, light-bodied, laced with our love of spiciness? Handyong Sili Beer will take your taste buds to Bicol with every sip. And it really is fiery. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, kung nag-enjoy kayo dito sa mga ginagawa kong video, please hit the like button down below. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe.